Hello, good morning. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, July 10th, 2026 here. Um, it is 9:20 a.m. Mountain Time. So Nasdaq is actually down 0.1%. Dow is up slightly 0.08. Sorry, I'm using the wrong headset. Okay, here we go. Hopefully the volume is better. So that is and then we have S&P near flat, and Nasdaq volume is higher today, so we'll see which way it swing. If it goes down further today, we might have another distribution day, which is already at a very high count of 9. So lots of selling lately. Market is very choppy as well, even for the good stocks that are still moving up. So not a very easy environment to trade. I'm try really hard not to be aggressive at all at this moment. NYSE here is down in volume, so that one's okay. On terms of stocks on the move, like there's not even 10 stocks on the move right now. So that also shows there's not much conviction in buying momentum stocks at this moment. So something to be aware of. We do have KB, IMOS here, SCI, WKC, NTAB, IFS, WCC, and NMM. Let's just quickly take a look at the index today. Let's go to NASDAQ here. So this morning it looks like we had a bounce, so that is at least somewhat of a good sign. Let me just bring up the intraday here on Google. So we have a pretty, again, very similar day to previous days here where we open up, then we come back down and hit a new intraday low, and then now we're bouncing back. So that's the good news is we're bouncing back at this moment. So hopefully that is a good thing. And right now we're staying above the 1021 day, above 26,000 mark. So that is good because this is the second time we tested it in the last 2 days. So and then more times in the recent days here. So that is a good sign. And if we come above somewhere around, let's see what the high here is, 26,258, somewhere around there, right? At around that level. We come above that, then we might have a breakout zone. And if you draw a trend line on the top here, that is, you know, looking like, if it breaks above that, that will be really good. So we'll see how the market ends today. Obviously, the US Iran news is what's making the market also very choppy. Um, and then we have SK Hynix also going debut IPO here in the US, so that could also influence the market. We'll have to see. Let me go to SMH here, just see where the chip stocks at. So it fell down this morning. It has also rebound. Now it's just slightly turned positive. Again, a nice rebound here. So that is good. Let's go to IGV. So it's trying to hold on to the 10-day there. IGV, actually today, yesterday was a really good bounce, but today, look at this. We're giving back the gains from this morning. So this morning was doing fine, now we actually turned red. So it's kind of very weird, right? The chips go up and then the software come down, software goes up, the chips go down yesterday. It's like really, really mixed, choppy trading here happening. So that's what's happening right now. Let's go to S&P here. S&P is still again bouncing from this morning bottom. It's up 0.03. This one is starting to look like it's ready to break out as well. So we're very close to breakout zone. And if today we close strong, I would consider that a breakout if we do close strong today from the index chart here. So that is again welcoming news. But we have to see it happening, and obviously growth stocks have to follow on that sense too. Because today we just saw the stocks in the move is not many stocks, so that's not good. But if volume picks up and stocks turn green, maybe this could be a breakout. So here's Dow. Dow is near the 10-day. It's also holding on to 10 days. So all the index are holding on pretty strong, so that at least that's a good sign, right, from that perspective, right? So let's look at Russell here. So Russell is the one that is down the most right now, 0.77, although I think it was down. Yeah, so it's near the bottom of the range, I think. So that is the negative news here, near the 21 day. So we bounced back from the low here. Yesterday we went back to the 10 day. Today we came back down to 21. So again, this is another one. So financials probably not doing well today. One area getting hit hard today is the biotech area. Let's see, SBI. Yeah, so huge move today, down 4.39%. Not sure if there was any news related to this or it's just a profit taking zone because it's been up quite a few weeks now. So that could be the reason. But that is a very sharp drop. So that's another problem today. Um, yeah, not much to talk about because, I mean, we can look at some leaders in the chips like lately. Let's see MXL here. So today is coming back down. It hasn't bounced back, so this is not good. It hasn't bounced back at all. That's not good today. A-Lab, this one is also near bottom of the range. Also hasn't bounced back like the Nasdaq did. So that's also weak. Software side, let's see. There's many software. Let me see. Let's look at Datadog. This one, yeah, so the software is getting hit hard today, which is not good. Like, I mean, this one is actually undercut yesterday's low, you see. So very choppy action. This is a very hard environment to trade. Um, let's look at Penguin. This one has been doing well recently. After the earnings, look at this, giving back everything from yesterday's high, closing at the low. Today we fall through on the downside, down 5%. It is trading in the middle range right now, so that at least somewhat there is some support in this morning's low. But yeah, it's very, very choppy, very tough environment. Earnings season is about to start, so I'm guessing market is just gonna go sideways or something like that until more earnings come through to see what it looks like. Thank you, everyone. Have a good weekend. I'll come up with weekend videos. Until then.